Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to pay with PayPal on Amazon. Sounds impossible? It's not. I will break it down step by step so by the end of this video you will know exactly how to use your PayPal balance to shop on Amazon. Let's get started. Amazon doesn't direct accept PayPal, yeah. We're right? Two of the biggest names in e-commerce, but no direct partnership. But don't worry, there's a smart workaround. All you need is a PayPal cash card, a PayPal key if available in your region, or a gift card method. If you have a PayPal cash card, you are golden. It works just like a debit card and it pulls money straight from your PayPal balance. Go to Amazon.com, then click sign in. Wait a minute. Click start here. Then create a account or click sign in for existing account. If you have already an account, click sign in. Or create your Amazon account for the first time. Enter your name, phone or email address, then enter password. And verify this email. Go to gmail.com and enter the code from here. Create your Amazon account. Account created, and that's it. Now add items to your cart like a cap. Go to proceed, then click proceed to checkout. Now add a new address. Enter your address from here. Now the fun part. Add a payment method. Click on add debit or credit card from here. Then enter your PayPal card cash card details just like any debit card. Place your order. Simple as that. The money comes right out of your PayPal account. No PayPal card, no problem. You can buy Amazon gift cards using PayPal from other websites. Go to trusted site like eGifter. Then click on sign in or sign up. Then go to gift cards, reload your balance or redeem a gift card. Enter the code and it will be added to your account. Now when you buy something, the balance gets used automatically. Easy and secure. PayPal give us another option where PayPal gave a virtual card number, but as of late to 2022, this service has been discontinued in many areas. If you still have access to it, you can enter the card number at checkout just like a debit card. And that's how you use PayPal to pay on Amazon. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more how to video. Thanks for watching.